Is it the right time to buy or sell Riot Blockchain stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Riot Blockchain. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 8, 2023. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 1, 2023, our system has rated Riot Blockchain as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.93. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown some natural fluctuations, resulting in a gain of 0.69%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.11% since being classified as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently in the midst of a wide and downward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further decline. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a projected -20.07% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return range of -42.09% to 1.56%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 63.69% change over the next year, with a potential return range of 48.52% to 271.00%. This implies a price range of $15.27 to $38.14 after 1 year. Our latest update on Riot Blockchain reveals a significant drop in stock price, causing a very red day for investors. The stock price fell by 7.14% during Wednesday's trading session. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, the Riot Blockchain stock price declined from $11.07 to $10.28. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 7.55% with a low of $10.06 and a high of $10.82. Although the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still down by 2.65% for this period. Volume has increased by 1 million shares on the last day, but the prices have been falling. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately 21 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to $220.72 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $20.65, while the lowest price was $3.25. Currently, the stock price is 50.22% below the 52-week high, which is $10.37 lower, and 87.07% below the all-time high on February 17, 2021. When the price reached $79.50. Today, we'll be discussing the analyst ratings for Riot. On Tuesday, October 31, 2023, Bernstein gave Riot an outperform grade with an initialize action. Moving on to Thursday, May 11, 2023, Needham gave Riot buy grade with a hold action. Let's go back to Wednesday, April 12, 2023, when Needham once again gave Riot a buy grade with a hold action. Looking further back to Tuesday, February 21, 2023, Needham gave Riot a buy grade with an initialize action. Lastly, on Wednesday, July 27, 2022, B. Riley gave Riot a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Riot Blockchain stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio to be in a neutral range. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a sell rating. Today, we'll be discussing the signals for Riot Blockchain. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for Riot Blockchain stock. However, the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is currently higher than the long-term average, this gives a positive forecast for the stock, suggesting it may be a good time to buy. If the stock continues to rise, it will face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $10.72. Conversely, if it falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $9.72. Breaking through the short-term average will indicate a buy signal, while breaking through the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Let's look at some recent developments. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, October 3, 2023, and so far the stock has risen by 17.08%. This suggests that further rise is indicated until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. However, it's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which may influence the stock's short-term development. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. It's recommended to monitor the stock more closely in light of this. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. Pivots indicate a buy signal that occurred 27 days ago. Bollinger Bands also show a buy signal that occurred 12 days ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 2 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average is indicating a buy signal that occurred 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is signaling a buy signal that occurred 9 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average is indicating a buy signal that occurred 14 days ago. However, the long-term moving average is indicating a sell signal that occurred 60 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is signaling a buy signal that occurred 49 days ago. If you want to discover more signals, make sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Riot Blockchain. Riot Blockchain has found support from accumulated volume at $9.88. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when it is tested. However, it's important to note that this stock can experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day, making it a high-risk investment. The Bollinger Band also indicates a large prediction interval for this stock. In the past day, the stock has moved $0.760 between its high and low points, representing a 7.55% difference. Over the course of the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.31%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Riot Blockchain, let's start by understanding some essential fundamental data. One important metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio helps us gauge a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. It's not uncommon for well-established companies to go through downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 29, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Riot Blockchain. If there's an upward trend, the first resistance level we should watch for is at $10.67. If you're not holding any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. On the other hand, if you already have the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Riot Blockchain faces its first support level at $9.88. If this support holds, it could present a great entry point as we anticipate a rebound. The average rating for Riot Blockchain from multiple analysts is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On August 17, 2023, Marlo Hubert sold 51,165 shares of common stock. On July 24, 2023, Chung Jason bought 0 shares of common stock. On July 24, 2023, Chung Jason bought 0 shares of common stock. On July 24, 2023, Chung Jason bought 0 shares of common stock. On July 24, 2023, Chung Jason bought 0 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -17.990. In total, insiders purchased 2,605,384 shares and sold 3,964,928 shares in the last 100 trades. In order to minimize potential losses, we recommend setting a stop loss at $10, which represents a decrease of 2.76%. It's important to note that this particular stock has a tendency to experience significant fluctuations on a daily basis, which inherently carries a higher level of risk. However, it's worth considering that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 26 days ago. Is Riot Blockchain stock a good buy? While Riot Blockchain holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Currently, it would be more prudent to consider it as a hold candidate or accumulate more shares, and monitor its further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. When trading resumes on Thursday, November 9th, we anticipate Riot Blockchain to open up at $10.39, a $0.107 increase from the previous session. Before we proceed, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We're curious to know what your target for the stock is as well. And if you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful trading tips. May your trading journey be a successful one. Have a fantastic day from all of us here at Stock Invest.